Let's open up this Venus flytrap. You can see I fumbled here a bit, and you can really see the strength the Venus flytrap has. Looks like it ate some sort of beetle. If you have a guess at what kind it is, put it in the comments below. Let's get this beetle out. Now, as I go to pull out this beetle, you can see it just breaks apart into nothing. That's because only the exoskeleton remains. The Venus flytrap has completely digested the beetle's insides, leaving only a hollow shell behind. Let's take a closer look at this beetle.